Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2012 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy is in the mineral gray and it looks very nice, a very nice light gray color. You do got the chrome accenting here on the grille, as well as you got the bug deflector right there. You do have the chrome front bumper as well, and it does come with halogen headlights and they are very bright. Coming around the side here, it does come on a 17-inch rims here, and they look great, very shiny. You got a lot of tread left on those guys as well. It does also have the heated exterior mirrors up here, which will help, especially in the winter. It'll thaw them out real quick. You also got the Ram logo and the Hemi logo, and you have the running boards along the bottom, which do help you get up on in. It does also come with the canopy up here. Looks very nice. You have the Ram logo there and the 4x4 logo right there. Now it does have a 5-foot box on it, so let's open it up and look at what it looks like. Open this guy up here, and that guy goes down. So you got a 5-foot box. It looks awesome in here. You do have the canopy, so it won't be getting anything wet, and it'll be nice and safe in here. And it is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's jump on in. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do have the panic button to panic if we needed to. Now on the door here we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there, as well as you got your handle here, a little holder or a little handle there, and then you also have some storage right down here. You do have the controls over your lights here, so you got your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light controls here. This guy here does control your turning signals, as well as your high beams and your windshield wipers. Okay, key in the ignition, let's get going. There we go, sounds nice. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as your fuel gauge, and you have your oil temperature. Down there it does say how many kilometers we have, but we can change that. You got your trip A and your trip B, as well as the temperature outside, and you got your eco, and then it's back to there. So you can control all that right from here, as well as you got your horn in the middle, and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy is your gear shift, of course, so you just pull it like this, and you shift gears. You got the controls over your 4-wheel lock and your 4-wheel low, as well as your 2-wheel here. And then you do have your radio in the middle, and it does have a CD player. So you got your seek options, you got your scan, and then you also have your info and your rewind and your fast forward, as well as your time there. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You do have your disc options here if you have one hooked up, or your aux cord. Volume up and down, you can turn it off. And then your presets down here, as well as the set. You got your list, your music type, and your setup, and then there's your aux cord plug-in right there. You have your tow and haul mode, you have your traction control, and then you also have your hazard lights here. Power up and down for the climate, as well as you can push in for the circulation. You got your defrost here, as well as your heat, and then you also have this one is your AC. This one is your defrost, as well as you can change where it's going to blow out of. And then you do have a plug-in here, and another one over here, and then this guy folds down, and you do have your cup holders here. So 3 cup holders, you can hold lots of stuff. Bit of storage in here, and then you do got your armrest here that does double as a storage container, so you got like 3 different levels you can put stuff in there, and won't be rolling around too much with that. Then you can also lift it up, and you do have a seat underneath here, so it does seat 6 people all together, which is lots. Then you also have a glove box kind of up here. You got another one right down here, and you do have your owner's manual in there as well. Let's take a look in the back here, open this guy up. Now you do have control over the windows back here, as well as you got your handle here, little handle here, and you have some storage down here. And there is a lot of room back here as well with the crew cab, and it has the same material as the front, which is very soft, and it looks very nice with the kind of different colors on it. It'll be very nice for long sitting as well. You got some storage underneath here if you did want to use that, and it'll get things out of the way. Plus you do have your cup holders right over there, and you have some vents right over there to keep you warm, keep your feet nice and toasty. And there's your 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2012 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.